In case anybody out there is wondering how my lizard turkey is doing, the African pygmy named Arrowhead, he is doing quite well. He's in a quite perfect environment to thrive. He's interested in snakes and lizards on the little television. Yes, my phone. He's been helped in many ways. He's about ready to fly around his cage. Basically, lizard little legs are coming back in like little lizards, moving up and down. He's just an amazing African pygmy turkey lizard. I don't know how he got here. Maybe he's just a dwarf, but he's getting bigger. He's getting better. He's ready. He took his first open beak goblet today. Basically, a little bud smoke. He's good. He's all good. He's got a nice yard. He's looking very natural, and we're taking care of him. I'm taking care of him big time. I let him go. I let him grow and get better. He's doing much better mentally because he was on the zombie out for a bit when I wasn't here. So may God bless that turkey Arrowhead, and may turkey Arrowhead bless the gods with his wing power to beat down lizards and snakes as he likes watching it on TV. Only ancestry KFC menu of lizard meat for him. And he has moles too. I believe he's into getting moles in the yard. Donald's. He lurks out for the moles. He gobbles down somehow through the head the secret mole holes and the outer Yoda cage of little African pygmy turkey are almost a year old inside of the chickens. But he's good. He's good in his hood, and his lizard is happy. His lizard brain is happy. He's evolving back again from dwarf midget to actual large T-Rex, getting stronger, giving him special diets, special clone therapy, even a little smoke for him. Not too much, maybe twice a week he gets a little help on that, unless he needs it every day. But he's out there under the UV light, out back, keeping things lizard chill as lizards come in to get suntans, and he just gobbles them down. He's a good old lizard. Beats him with his wings, I can guarantee it. So he just looks straight up like he eats lizards for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He'll have corn. He has corn grown. I have coffee beans, just 100 plants sprouted in the shade up top, and the moon corn is even in another shady spot. Secret to planting seeds: do it in the shade. They like moist, shady environment. Quit getting lit out the ozone with your goddamn keychain and just be chilling, you know. Cribbing out my crib, man. I be cribbing. All my crib devices and things. Nice bag of the mole. Very large sack of the mole, fluffed up with mole clone on the cell phone flashlight. Dome did a dome. I watched Snoop Dogg Animal Planet tonight, and me and Arrowhead watched lizards, and I watched a show about a monkey who chews off feet in Africa and beats down tourists that are doing safaris. But he's angry because his cousins were shot on safari. I'm just doing their little African death cap fungus tradition to encourage their beast fungus to chimpanzee dwarf level. Small chimps, extremely dangerous. Warning: global shipment of chimpanzees have arrived. The apes continue to die.